And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking out to the Picture Butte Highway out there to the north. -4 is our daytime high since midnight. We got down to -10 at 5 a.m. this morning, and that was our low. Our winds are very light right now, but they still are out of the north direction-wise, and will continue to be that way in the overnight hours. And then tomorrow, winds are going to start to shift, southeasterly winds, and then eventually as we get into Wednesday, our winds will be coming out of the west, and that'll move our temperatures up the scale significantly for a couple of days, and then we'll start to see that cool down again as another system pulls through. But right now, all the numbers that we're looking at, 0 or minus values in most areas in southern Alberta. To the west of the Continental Divide, a little better temperature-wise, picking up a little more of the warmth. But here in the south part of Alberta, we're looking at a clearing trend already starting to dig in. That's because an Arctic area of high pressure, so you know it's still a cooler air mass that's affecting much of Western Canada right now, but we are picking up clearer skies. As we get into tomorrow especially, we'll start to see more sunshine, and then that wind direction starts to rotate out of the southeast as opposed to the north, so we'll start to see temperatures improve. As far as precipitation goes, still have a push off of the foothills to the north of us, and we still have pockets of precipitation to the west of the Continental Divide. That's expected to continue into the overnight hours tonight as well. But when we get into tomorrow, you start to see just some high thin cloud here. We've got strong winds on the BC coast, and that's going to funnel some precipitation in through the central areas. But in the southeast corner of BC and into southern Alberta, we're looking at pretty nice conditions starting to build in. Down east, we've got 1 degree in St. John's. We've got a couple of low pressure centers that are going to be continuing to put some flurry activity into Atlantic Canada. Had a lot of sunshine through the Maritimes today, southern Ontario as well, but a system is moving across the Great Lakes, expecting to create some cloud cover and a possibility of some flurry activity in some of the areas of Ontario starting tomorrow. -6 degrees in Winnipeg, -9 in Regina, -6 in Saskatoon, -2 in Edmonton. We've got 9 degrees in Kelowna, 13 on the coast in Vancouver, -1 or 4 degrees rather, and -3 for Whitehorse and Yellowknife at this hour. And both of those areas did manage to see some sunshine again today. East Kootenay, you're looking at mainly cloudy skies tonight, down to -5, 8 degrees for a high tomorrow. Mainly sunny skies for you and not too windy in the afternoon hours. For the Crow's Nest Pass, looking at mainly cloudy tonight with a chance of a flurry, -11 for a low, and then 2 degrees for a daytime high tomorrow. You'll have a sun and cloud mix. For you folks in Medicine Hat, we're looking at a few clouds tonight, down to -9 degrees in the Hat tonight. And then tomorrow, you'll have mainly sunny skies, a high of +5 degrees. Winds will be out of the southeast, and they'll be fairly light throughout the day tomorrow. Here in Lethbridge, get down to -12 tonight. Still a chance of a leftover flurry as that area of high pressure just squeezes out the last little bits of low pressure and pushes them to the south. And then tomorrow, we're expecting a fair amount of sunshine. There's our 5-day forecast, a little bit up and down, typical southern Alberta spring weather, don't you know? We've got sunshine for tomorrow and Wednesday, and then Thursday, we have that chance of late day shower activity, temperatures of 7 degrees. So we're not going into a deep freeze, and then you saw nice temperatures as we head into Friday as well. There's your record highs for this week in history, and just a reminder that right now we're watching the systems for the upcoming weekend, because there are a lot of events in southern Alberta that do take place on the weekend, and it looks like we do have a chance of seeing some snow flurries Saturday and Sunday, but that's a few days ahead. We'll keep watching those systems for you. And that's it for me. Have a really good evening, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow.